Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a look at Coti. I wanted to cover this for quite some time now, and finally we are covering it on the channel. So this is a great project. It has been building through the bear market. As you can see, the price pretty much did nothing. It did have this little rally up in 2000 and August of 2020, and now in the bull market, it is peaking out, and we are far off from the full potential of this project. So basically what this is a payment and next generation payment network that is supported by their native digital currency. So what they want to do is they want to revolutionize digital payments. So the payment systems haven't been changed in 30 years, and they wanna revolutionize them. They wanna make payments easier, better with Coti. And there's a great video on YouTube that I'm going to link in the description that tells you all about the project and their vision. And they are very much undervalued right now. As you can see, the market cap is below the 250 million. And if we talk about the circulating supply, that's about 700 million coins and 2 billion max and total supply. So they do have a staking system, and that's the only way I believe how the coins are brought into circulation. So it will take a long time for all of these coins to get into circulation, and we are almost at 50% of all the coins being out in the circulation. So now going to their website and one thing that I want to show you is their roadmap. Now we are in quarter 2, so look at all these things that they have done in quarter 1. It's really great. They really have a packed roadmap, and they are built on this trust chain that is at the core of their technology. So they do have a wallet as well, and I believe if we go to MarketCal, as you can see, they have a lot of events for quarter 2, so expect this to pump up and perhaps make it 2x or 3x in this quarter, because this is a great project. Also, it is partnered up with Cardano and Orion Protocol, which are my 2 favorite cryptocurrencies at the moment. So this is really a great project, guys. 36 cents is really undervalued. I believe it peaked out somewhere around 60 cents if I'm not mistaken, but like I said, great project to invest into, guys. And we are going to jump into the TA right now. So looking at the chart, so yep, around 60 cents, that was our peak. So to start off, let's throw the fib up straight away, throwing the fib up for that full retracement. As you can see, we are testing the 0.382. One thing I want to do is I want to change the way the numbers are shown. So I want them to be on the left. Actually, on the right, I meant. Yep. That way you can see the levels, the fib levels, a lot easier. So looking at this right now, we are on the 0.236 level, and we want to break through that right now. And once we do that, we have another strong resistance level at the 0.382 level on the Fibonacci retracement, and that is at almost 41 cents. So you want to mark that as well. That is a great resistance. As you can see, a lot of touches over here. Next up, we have the 0.5, which that has a lot of resistance as well. That is where most of the fighting is going on. So like I said, with all the events coming up, there is going to be some buying pressure, and what you want to see is we are hitting our head on this 55 EMA, as you can see right now, and we have made this bearish cross, and we even made that death cross on the 200 EMA. So we want to start curling back up. As you can see, the EMA curled back up, as you saw with a lot of projects right now. The EMA is turning back up, but with this little Bitcoin dip, It's straightened out, but now we want to break through. And as you can see, it wants to break through. It almost broke through here, but the Bitcoin pushed us down. Now we are starting to test this 55 EMA, and we want to break through it, bounce off of it. We want to come back up, bounce off this 0.236 level as support, then keep on marching on like this, and perhaps test this area for a bit. Then we break through, retest, come back up, and that's how we do it, guys. So potentially in the next week, I do see us coming back to the 0.5 level, guys. That would be healthy. And looking at the RSI, we are straight in the middle. Histogram is turning bullish right now, so it's looking good for Coti. So we are gonna remove all of that right now. Now on the 4-hourly chart, we did make this double bottom, as you can see. One bottom here, second bottom here, and now we are starting to break through. So we want to break through this neckline over here. And once we do that, we are gonna march on because this is keeping us down. And what I would think is by the time we break through this line, we are gonna perform that bullish cross. So as you can see, we were in this downtrend, this channel that led us and pushed us down with this bearish cross. So our target out of this is where we actually formed this channel, and that would be somewhere around 51 cents. So that is our potential target right now out of this channel. And we do start coming up through those fib levels, and the EMA is going to help us and push us up, force us up, and that is very good. But keep in mind, any FUD, any Bitcoin news, anything basically can push the price down. So when your TA is on point and you seem to be making progress with the price and everything seems good, and then Bitcoin drops and your TA goes out the window. So keep that in mind, guys. But we do seem to be breaking out of this channel right now, and we want to do that. Also, one thing I want to mention is that we made this M top over here, as you can see. So what this does is basically you peak out, then you come back down. You try to go for that peak once again, but you make a lower high. So you have this M pattern, and basically what happens is you create this neckline somewhere around here. And if you lose that neckline, as you can see, you went down. So you lost this neckline and you went down. So that is why we went down, guys. And that does happen quite often. Once you peak out, you're not able to go to that same high once again. So you start making lower highs and lower lows, and that is what we have been doing. As you can see here, and here, lower highs, and all of this pretty much is lower lows. So you don't want to see that happen, guys. And you want to keep an eye on those M and W patterns because they do usually tend to play out the way they're supposed to. So this W bottom is a bullish pattern, the M top is a bearish pattern, so keep that in mind. So also another indicator that I want you to use, guys, is the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. That's how you type it in. I already have it up. I just showed you how to get there. So on the RSI, we are sitting in the middle right there. It's looking very good. So volume, RSI, and MACD are the ones that you want to be using in order to get the full picture, because you want to be using a couple of indicators, guys. You want to be using a couple of indicators, and if most of them point to a certain direction of the price, then that's where the price will most likely go. Now, none of this is financial advice, guys, so please make sure to do your own research before investing. But this is a very good project, guys. I suggest you look into it. The price is starting to go into an uptrend if we go to the daily chart over here. So on the daily chart, we are looking to make that bullish cross very soon with the yellow MACD crossing the signal line. That is when you get a bullish cross on the MACD. RSI under 50, looking good right now. The 20 EMA, which is the yellow line, is straightened out, and once we get above it, we start bouncing off it. That will make sure that the EMA curls back up and it pushes us up, guys. So keep an eye on those EMAs. We are starting to go into this Coti uptrend. So make sure to check this project out, like I said, and make sure to join into the Telegram chat. A lot of people are joining in, guys, having some good conversations, sharing projects. It's all good in there. And if you want to throw me a buck, then you can do that. You don't have to, but you can go to my PayPal on the donate button on my channel banner, and you can throw me a buck or two if you'd like to. And that would be very much appreciated, guys. But you don't have to, like I said, it's okay if you don't. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, helps the algorithm out. Let me know if you want me to cover any other projects on this channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.